Hey everybody, Tyler Henderson here with Seller Labs. And one of the things I've realized with my unique position at Seller Labs, talking to brands and agencies on a daily basis, is that time management, enabling yourself and empowering your employees to be efficient and do their best jobs is one of the hardest parts about scaling your business. So whether you're a brand or an agency, whether you're spending $1,000 a month in advertising or hundreds of thousands or $1 million a month in advertising, making sure that you're spending well and that you're doing things efficiently is the key to growth and to scalability. So, with that in mind, with Solidarity, I'm going to show you 5 ways that Ignite Plus can help you be more efficient, make more money, and not waste your time ultimately in under 5 minutes. So, we're going to go ahead and get our clock started here and we'll go. So, our first tip is right here on the home screen. And it's not this beautiful dashboard or being able to download it. It's actually up here in the top right corner, and it's the ability to switch between all of your different accounts in 1 or 2 clicks. So whether you're a brand who's managing a Seller Central account and an AMS account, or you're an agency and you need to switch between all of your different clients, we make you able to do that with one easy click. We also have multiple user tenancy for those agencies who want to enable their account coordinators or managers to access some but not all accounts, whereas you or your account directors can access all the accounts. So that's tip 1. Tip 2 is deep diving with filters. So you can see if we switch over here to the campaigns page, we can quickly filter in based on a time frame, 7 days, 30 days, or as long as we have data. We can also filter in on status, campaign type, targeting type, or campaign groups. And we can also filter in based on data filters. So if we want to find a campaign that has an above a 10% current ACOS or multiple of these, we can absolutely do that. So I just applied it, and you can see over the last 30 days, there's 4 campaigns that have above a 10% ACOS. So let's dig in even deeper for a second to find some more good data with filters. Looking at keywords, we can find the keywords that are performing well or not performing well. So if we want to dig into this dark roast coffee, if this data wasn't blank because it's a demo account, we could dig in deeply over here, view the search terms, and see all the search terms associated with this product. Additionally, if we want to change the filters on those search terms, we can expand it out to this month or 30 days or whatever we'd like. And so what a lot of you realize is that report, downloading all of that into Excel, would have taken upwards of 3 or 4 reports, just changing the time frame. Our next tip is digging into unprofitable keywords at the account level. So just like we used filters before, we can see all the keywords on our entire account that we're bidding on, as well as all the search terms at the full account level. So if you want to use any of those filters that we just looked into, you can absolutely do that. So let's find any keyword that has a current ACOS above 10% and has more than 10 clicks, and we're going to start making some decisions on these. So you can see across our entire account, agnostic of all the different campaigns that they're in, these are the keywords or search terms that we want to dig into and do a little bit more of. Maybe we need to make them negatives. Maybe we just need to edit the bids on them. And that takes me to the next tip, bulk actions. So whether we want to choose just some of these or all of them, we can absolutely start to perform some bulk actions based on filtering in. So we can either add them as keyword or add them as negative keywords. So in this situation, I want to add them as keywords. Choose the campaign I want to put them into. Choose the ad group I want to put them into. Choose exact and hit create keywords. And it's as easy as that. So additionally, if you want to create more keywords, you can easily add those here or make bulk changes in terms of pricing, or not pricing, bids here as well. So perform an action, edit bids, and we can raise them by a percentage, set them to a certain number, or increase them as a percentage here. The final tip is suggestions and suggestions automation. So let's say you have very, very little time and you just need to know the quick hits that you want to do. We'll show you suggestions and explain to you why you should do those suggestions based on the data that we're pulling in. So our system's helping you really do the work. And so whether it's a suggestion for creating an exact keyword, negating a keyword, or increasing your bid or decreasing your bid, we can help you with that. Additionally, you can make all of those suggestion types automatic. So come in here and look at a suggestion, and you can create a suggestion for a campaign, Choose the suggestion type and when you want it to be accepted. Choose your parameters, and you're good to go. And with 22 seconds left, that's 5 tips that are going to save you money, time, and effort using Ignite Plus. And so if you're curious or want to know more about the product, I'd be happy to give you a demo myself, or we can schedule up a time. There's a 15-day free evaluation that comes with it, and we can get you up and rolling. I'm excited to hear more from you. Thank you very much.